I dare you to make a crooked wood joint after this. With this simple jig, just 2 pieces of wood, and 1 screw right in the center. You already solve half the problem. First, drive the screw exactly in the middle of the wood. Then place the other piece on top, and give it a few solid hammer hits. That's it. Perfect marking. Exactly where you need to drill. Now just drill the hole. Insert the dowel and close the joint. It works for broom handles, hammer handles, and even sledgehammers. Simple, fast, and straight like it was machine-made.